Oh, is that your monkey from Laura? Yeah. Oh, you're coming to him. Come on. Come get him. He's right here. He's right there. Good job. Good job, sweetie. Couple more scooches and you'll have him. Good job. Good job. Good job. You did it. Yay. All right. You're going to get the hang of that crawling. That's really good. All right. Is that your monkey? Is that guy your monkey? Yeah, you like him, huh? Yay. I love you, honey. You're such a big girl. Such a big girl.